Welcome everyone to the world famous Tallahassee Harley-Davidson. Today I've got for you this incredible brand new 2014 Street Glide Special. The Special starts out front with the all new 49mm front forks for reduced nosediving during braking. It's got the new 19-inch Enforcer wheels, the dual floating rotors, and 4-piston Brembo calipers. Sitting on top of everything, we got the new low-profile front fender, full-size chrome engine guard. We have the rubber-mounted, air-cooled 103 cubic inch high-output twin-cam engine with integrated oil cooler and 6-speed cruise drive transmission. It's got the full-size custom floorboards, stealth passenger pegs, and it has the slammed rear end. The all-new one-touch hard-locking saddlebags, 4-point docking hardware, and sculpted one-piece 2-up seat. 6-gallon fuel tank with chrome tank trim, and out front we got the completely redesigned Slipstream-style Batwing fairing. It houses the Boom Audio 6.5 GT infotainment center and has a USB connector inside the jukebox media compartment. High visibility 4 gauges, comes with factory ABS security and cruise control. It's in vivid black and carries a 2-year unlimited mile warranty. Out front here we have the twin LED headlights and a Slipstream air vent. Options and accessories on this bike retail out over $210. It's in stock and ready for immediate delivery. Here at the world famous Tallahassee Harley-Davidson, all our bikes are fully serviced and safety inspected. We take anything on trade: cars, boats, campers, guns, jewelry, artwork, you name it, we take it as long as we don't have to feed it. We are rated #1 in customer service and have over 1,200 new or previously enjoyed motorcycles for you to choose from. So for more information on the Street Glide Special, click on the link below and view the rest of our remarkable inventory. Visit us at TallahasseeHarley.com. We're always open 24/7. And remember to have one rockin', smokin', badass Harley day.